Hello friends, welcome back to Max Technical Solution YouTube channel. Friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a percentage calculator at Extrago with the help of AI. Okay, so here you go. At first I will click on ChatGPT option. Okay, so here you go, ChatGPT. Now I have to write the command, but I will load the previous project first. Okay. So I will type a prompt here. I will type the prompt here. Okay. Mm, uh, write code of percentage calculator. Write code of percentage calculator for Extrago. Use the following language, means use JS, JavaScript, HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, and Bootstrap for the Bootstrap HTML CSS framework Bootstrap. And what I'm missing is Fontavism. Fontavism is for icons. Okay, so here you go. And mm, okay, I want to inform you guys that Extrago have inbuilt three feature. Means one code, we have to put one code on the header, JavaScript code on footer, and HTML code in middle. Okay, so this is the working of Extrago. So let's write a prompt again a little bit. I need to increment in the prompt. Okay, I need to increase the prompt. Okay, let's work on it. Write code of percentage calculator for Extrago. Use JS, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, font away somehow. Write head, body, and bottom JS separate for two copies. Okay, here you go. Now click on enter button. Okay, so percentage calculator. Yes, here you go. This is the head section. Copy this first. Okay, this is head section. This is body section, and the bottom is JavaScript section. Okay, so अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे आज को जो है ऑनलाइन किया जाता है. सो लेट्स वर्क ऑन इट. At first I will copy the head section. Okay, I have copy head section first. Okay, and body section second. Okay, and bottom JavaScript section third option. Okay, I copied all three item. Now minimize this and go to browser. And in Extrago, you know how to open Extrago. So let's I already have opened the Extrago and I will create the website. I will go on my website option, and at the bottom I have a website tools.extrago.in. Okay, this is the website. This is the website tools.extrago.in, and I will open the pages. Okay, website pages. I will create a new page. Page title will be percentage calculator. Percentage calculator. Okay, I will percentage calculator by Extrago. Percentage calculator by Extrago. This is the title of the page. Okay, so now page type option we need to select normal. We do not have any prescription name for the page. Okay, I will select normal. And allow header, yes. Allow footer, allow header, yes. Allow footer, yes. Click on the create button. Page added. Go in the last. Scientific calculator. No, this is not the page. Age calculator, yes. Age calculator, sorry, age calculator already created yesterday, and today I will try to check it out. Percentage calculator, this one. percentage calculator by Extrago. This is the newly created page. Okay, so what I need to add is I will go on setting option first, and in the custom head code here, custom head code means I copied last time. Okay, custom head code. Okay, custom head. This one, this one, this one. I copied this and remove the head tag from here, and from also from the above, remove the head tag also from the top. Okay, this is done. Now in JS for bottom JS, I already copied the bottom JS and I will paste the bottom JS here. Okay, this one is the bottom JS for calculate percentage. Okay, working fine, working fine. Okay, I have to update this. Okay, code updated. Okay, now we need to go in the add edit code option for middle section. Okay, I already added head section, I already added bottom JS section. Now I will add the middle HTML section. Okay, I already copied the middle HTML section, so I will paste it here. Okay, this one is the code, percentage calculator. Okay, now click on the add option. Now let's check the output. Okay, go back, go back, go back, go back. Yeah, this is the page, and I will click on the view page option to check the output. View page. Here you go, everything is working fine. The problem is with the head section. Everything is fine, but the only problem is background is dark and the font color is also dark. This one is the problem here. Okay, but I will fix this in the next video. Let's check the calculator. Should I fix this in this video? Comment your suggestion. Okay. So I will fix the problem in this video so that you will understand how to fix the errors at Extrago. So I will go here, and in the beginning I will type view source, clipboard, view source. Okay, view source colon website URL. Press enter. Here you will get the full code of the page. Copy the whole code and go to the ChatGPT AI tool and paste here, and write a prompt that hmm, hmm, copy this, copy this, and copy this. Okay, Extrago header fix. Okay, so come back to the code, go back, and this is the page. I need to click on the setting option, and here I will paste the code inside the style sheet. Okay, here you go. Okay, added successfully. Now let's save the data. Click on the update button. Now let's check the output. Okay, view page. Yes, sorry, this one. This is. One problem is there. Two header pages. Header. Then go in setting. Click on the normal option and update this. setting, go to page type, click on normal and update this normal.html. One error is there. This is the error of extrago. I will fix this soon. Okay, but as of now, you can check the output from clicking here. Value 200 percentage 10. Calculate. And 10% of 200 is 20. This is the output. Hope you understand.